Hello, birdie. He's in front of the store. Stuff coming out. Interesting. I've been seeing a lot of shapes today. A lot of shapes. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Four little birdies. I know, I've been getting that sitting in a circle. Past the circle. Raise the vibration. 3 little birdies shed on my window. They told me I don't need to worry. Hi, my little 3. Oh, there goes your 4 again. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. I like how they hop. Puddles. Puddles. Just looking at stuff, just walking around looking at things, huh? Yeah. I just want to be free like a bird. What are you doing? Perimeter check. A perimeter check. Cutie. It's so funny. I think it's so interesting. When I start looking at the birds, how other people around me will start looking at the birds differently. Time to bring some change. Some change to the world. Change. Change. Oh, some change. I have change. I need change. I don't have any change. Fun time. Every time. Oh, I want to have a fun time every time, every time. Jay, Santana. That's one of my ex's names is Josue Santana. I think that is. His mother's why I got my Section 8. Yep. The second opportunity. The first time I lost my voucher because I didn't find an apartment in time. Because I got it right when I was in high school. Like fresh, 18 years old. They had a voucher for me. But I wasn't ready at that time. That's why I didn't get it until I ended up getting pregnant. Until I was 24. Yeah, I got my voucher when I was about 3 months pregnant. So everything worked out. Real life hornworm. Sorry, hornworm. I guess I could name him Marcus. Nah.